Hello everyone, and welcome back to John Builds Iconic Military Models. Good morning everybody, just an update video on Victory. This last week I've pretty much finished all the quarterdeck decking. For some reason it seems to take longer than it should. I'm not quite sure, but as you can see it's about finished. Just need to just straighten up the edges of the opening. Just added a support plank underneath. I know it gets edged, but I still preferred to put one, like obviously trying to sand all that smooth or cut it smooth, right, any kind of support underneath. Just a bit creaky, it's a bit not easy, so I just thought it also adds a little bit of depth. Just get a quick sand. I'm not sanding it too much until I've filled in all the bulwarks. Then I'll get a really good sand, because otherwise you just get tons of dust falling down the edges, and then obviously you've got to try and get that out, so a bit of a pain. So moving on, just gonna make a start on issue 56. Not too sure about these, don't look great. Do some work on them, do some mods, and see how they come out. But other than that, really good. Obviously other guys who are building this, I don't know how you're getting on or what you think to the build. But I'm really enjoying it. A couple of things I'd do different if I started again. I wouldn't add these top two planks until obviously you're ready to work on them, because obviously they just kind of, even though I tried to cover them, they've got bashed and when you're turning the ship upside down. So yeah, I think I'll whip these two top. Maybe the same on this line, I've lost a bit of corner there. Just from generally, I mean, when you're holding it to try and support them, you support it, sometimes you can just hold it and pull a bit off. So yeah, I think I might replace these top two planks all the way around. I say any questions or any more tips? I got obviously a comment on my last video, which obviously somebody else is building the Victory. And I say anybody who's got comments, and we can share it amongst ourselves, and because I mean we all know these builds go on forever, and they can be difficult. So any tips we can kind of share around to each other, just make things a bit easier for us all. Right, thanks for watching. See you all again.